Locofy is challenging all the developers out there. They are saying that you can use any Figma community project or your own custom design Figma project and can produce code 5 times faster. You can use React, React Native, Next.js, Gatsby or vanilla HTML and can build a complete end-to-end app 5 times faster, and we are ready to take that challenge. Not only that, they are helping every developers via their Slack channel or their YouTube videos. All they are asking for all the developers is use our Slack channel or YouTube videos or resources and build an end-to-end application. If you can build such application using Locofy and you are not afraid to take that challenge, Locofy is willing to give 60,000 rupees as a cash prize. No entry fees, no barrier, anybody can participate all around the places and it's happening online. Join the challenge, build the stuff using Locofy and win the cash prize of 60,000 rupees. Exciting as ever, no entry fees. Let's get started and let's build something with Locofy. Inviting all developers in this amazing Locofy challenge. Let's get started.